How to register for PC Financial Mastercard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can register for PC Financial Mastercard. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first step, open up your web browser and simply search for PC Financial Mastercard login, register. After you do that, you'll find this website by PC Financial. You can open that up. So what you can now do is you can basically tap on this apply now option. Or if you just scroll down, you should find an sign up option as well. But we'll just head over with this apply now option. Now, you can choose any one of these. So here you can see the MasterCard. So since we are trying to do for MasterCard, we'll just choose the MasterCard option. So with this pop-up, let me just go back and cross this up. Now, open up your PC MasterCard, tap on apply now, and it will redirect you to another page. So after the page loads, here you will see the requirements for your application. So as you can see, you will need to be the resident of Canada, and also you will need to be the age of majority. And again, additional information, you'll need your social security or insurance number and your PC optimum number. Then after you're there, you can simply choose either one. So after that, you can accept to the terms and conditions and everything. Just keep on following your terms and conditions and everything. Also, now this is the form that you'll need to fill in to register. So just go through with this personal information one, then your contact information, your address, your employment status, your account options, and finally link your PC Optimum and then review your application. And that's how you apply to your PC Financial Mastercard. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.